Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine and are safe. I'm Yvonne and today I'm come up with another interesting video wherein I'll be sharing with you all the rainy season snacks that we can enjoy during this rains, because right now it's raining heavily outside, and that really I just got a thought like I'll make such kind of a video. So that's why I came up with this idea and I'm shooting. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video. So to start with, the first item of the video is a corn chaat. It basically is boiled corn, but you can add your own vegetables or just spice it up with some spices like salt, pepper, chili flakes, whatever you like, and it really tastes good. So first let's prepare it. So here I've taken some boiled corn. Now I'll just take some from here. It's a very popular dish and a snack item during the rains, and when you have hot corn, it even tastes very delicious. But today I am not in a mood for all the veggies. So now I've taken my corn over here, and to this I'll be adding some salt and pepper. You can even squeeze a lime on it, but today I'm okay with this. So now let's enjoy our corn chaat. So this is our delicious looking corn chaat. I'm gonna have it. So these days in the markets, corns are available at a very cheap rate also, and also in a bulk quantity, and you can just get them. Make this yummy, delicious and healthy snack and enjoy it. Also, for the sweetness of the corn, it's getting well balanced with the salt and the pepper, and it's tasting really good. If you add, I think lemon will taste even better, and you can add some capsicum and stuff. You all can watch that video on Foodie Potato channel. Whenever the video is put, I will leave the link of that as well in my description box. So you all can choose which variant you all want to prepare and enjoy. And for now, I'll enjoy mine, and I'll get back to you with the snack number 2. So now guys, today for the snack number 2 in the rainy season part 1 is none other than Mumbai ka famous vada pav. So the whole recipe for this vada pav will be linked in my description box. You can click on the link and make this yummy vada pav at your place as well. Now I'll just assemble the vada pav and show you all. So now guys, you all seen how I made the vada pav, and I hope you all enjoyed the rainy season clip that I had put in the start of the video. And I am getting total the rain feels because still it's raining outside. And now I'm going to enjoy my garam vada pav. So here is my vada pav. Just press it. Let's take the first bite. The vada pav is really hot and really tasty. Although if you all like it more spicy, you can add some more chilies. Even you can use fried chilies with this. It's usually served, but my spice tolerance is not that much, also I can have chilies. That's why I just skipped on the chili. But if you like it very spicy, do add chilies and have this. And I'm sure you all are going to enjoy this. So now I'm going to enjoy mine and see you all in the third snack of the evening. So now the third snack which I'm going to be sharing with you all in the rainy season snacks is none other than Maggi. Without Maggi, I think rainy season is incomplete. The bowl is really hot. So without Maggi, our rainy season is totally incomplete. Whether you go to Lonavala, Khandala, anywhere, any hill station as well, the thing that you'll get on a total rainy season day is Maggi. And this is the regular masala Maggi that we have, which has become a little bit sticky, I think. Yeah. Anyways, Maggi always tastes good. So let's dig in. The Maggi is so delicious. I'm going to enjoy my Maggi and then I'll catch you guys with the fourth and the final snack. So guys, now I got the fourth and the final snack of today evening. But before I show you how it is, we have to go and prepare it. So let's head to the kitchen to prepare it first. So hey guys, now we come to the fourth snack of today's rainy season snack episode, which is none other than the bread pakoda. I actually was planning to do bhajis, but I've already done a video with bhajiyas in a Goan snacks part 1 or part 2, I don't remember. I'll leave a link of it in my description box, so you all can click on the link and check out how to make bhajiyas. So today I want to do something different on the rainy season snacks. So today I'm going to have bread pakoras. This also is very commonly eaten during the rainy season, and on a heavy rainy day, if you get a garam bread pakoda with khatti mitti chutney, that's imli ka chutney, and the green chutney, what more can you ask for? So first have a look at how it looks. So this is how the bread pakoda looks. I know it's a little bit oily, but it smells so tasty. So just look at it, how delicious it's looking. So now let's see the making of it also. So you all can do make it and give it a try. Now let's have it. So delicious and crispy. Today unfortunately I don't have the khatta and meetha chutney, but without all this tasting really tasty. So now I'll enjoy mine and then I'll get back to you all. So guys, now with this we come to an end to this episode of, that's the part 1 of the rainy season snacks, and I hope you all enjoyed it. If you try any of the recipes, please do let me know in the comment section below. Also do let me know which is your favorite rainy season snacks, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel by clicking on that red subscribe button and also on the bell next to it, so that you can get notified each time I post a new video. Also don't forget to like this video and also share this video, so that all of us make different kinds of rainy season snacks, and also leave your thoughtful comments and whatever you all want, your suggestions in the comment section below. I will see you all in our next episode of rainy season snacks part 2 very soon. Till then, bye.